Options on the Dollar by www.options-trading-education.com. The US dollar has risen substantially against other currencies. It appears to be taking a breather while the market waits to see how much further the United States Federal Reserve will raise interest rates. If you are interested in trading options on the dollar, do you expect it will rise or fall against other currencies? And against which other currency will you trade US dollar options? Years ago we wrote about Forex options trading. Forex options trading is the use of options in trading foreign currencies. One uses the same principles and tactics as with trading stocks or commodities. The trader picks a currency pair, such as the euro-US dollar. Using the dollar as the base currency, the trader can buy calls on the euro or puts. If he buys a call, he is assuming that the euro will rise in value against the dollar, and if he buys puts, he is assuming that the euro will fall compared to the dollar. What are calls and puts, and how do you use them? Call and put options. What are calls and puts? Here's a thumbnail sketch. A call contract gives the buyer the option to purchase the underlying equity, which he will do if the equity price moves in the direction anticipated. A call contract confers an obligation on the seller, writer, of the call option to sell the underlying equity if the buyer executes the contract. Similarly, a put contract gives the buyer the option to sell the underlying equity, which he will do if the equity price moves in the direction anticipated. A put contract confers an obligation on the seller, writer, of the put option to buy the underlying equity if the buyer executes the contract. Covered options trading is when the seller of a call option or buyer of a put option owns the equity in question. An advantage of trading options on the dollar instead of buying or selling the currency is that the trader uses less trading capital and thus extends his ability to leverage a small amount of capital into a large profit. Picking a trading pair. If you are going to be trading options on the dollar, you need to pick another currency against which to trade the US dollar. Investopedia lists the most traded currency pairs. Although some retail dealers trade exotic, less popular currencies such as the Thai baht or the Czech koruna, the majority trade the 7 most traded currency pairs in the world. The 4 most popular, also known as the majors, are Euro dollar, US dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, dollar, US dollar, Swiss franc. The 3 less popular commodity pairs are Australian dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. These currency pairs, along with their various combinations such as euro yen, pound yen, and euro pound, account for more than 95% of all speculative trading in Forex. Given the small number of possible trades, only 18 pairs are actively traded. The Forex market is much less broad than the stock market. Please note that all of the most popular currencies pairs include the US dollar. When trading options on the dollar, pick a pair and then study the factors that drive currency rates and technical factors that drive the market in the short term. Then trade calls or puts accordingly. For more insights and useful information about trading options, visit www.options-trading-education.com.